Hey guys, in this video coaching session involving AI software creation 101, I am going to introduce you to what I have learned involving the basics of software technology and the creation thereof. And I'm going to introduce it to you from my own experience involving this highly advanced and rapidly growing industry related to AI engineered software technology. So, if you, like me, are rather simple and you have some basic knowledge of computers and you have come from the technology age and now you are in the adapting period involving this just sudden plethora of everything involving AI technology, then you and I have something in common, and hopefully I can help you leverage some understanding towards AI technology with my experience and how I am gaining a grasp on that segment. Growing up in childhood, whether in school sports, Boy Scouts, whaling and cultural traditions like Eskimo dance, or even as a fan watching the NBA, the NFL, there was always something magical, right, about the first day involving whatever it was that we were anticipating being a part of or keeping up with, whether it was myself or me and my friends. And that's how I hope the experience I share with you involves. I don't want it to be boring. Hopefully it's interesting. Hopefully you do get something out of it. So yeah, that's how I hope the experience I share with you involves, is a level of anticipation mixed with learning and helping you include different aspects within your own pursuit of AI technologies and how it might be of use to you. So the area in which I specialize, I guess I now specialize, offering my coaching expertise within my Visionaire platform, relates to general software automation with AI software engineered technology. And I will begin by letting you know that my coaching style involves a layman's terms approach, where I implement a much slower pace, if you will, at least to the more conventional styles you might see on a variety of platforms involving AI software educational platforms or YouTube channels, TikTok channels, whatever those might be. So while you will get the fancy terminologies that, just for conversational and teaching sakes, I have to bring them up. You will get the easy to understand elaborate detail to go along with that, though. And along with not running you in a hurry with switching from one view or one screen to another, all that fancy editing, like I could do that, but I just choose to keep it simple. And so you aren't going to be getting a coaching perspective that is shuffling you from one place to another so as to cram it down your throat, or taking away from you getting that full grasp within the concepts and application methods that I strive in teaching you, the viewers. If you would kindly allow me in asking that you would take 5 seconds of your time right now by clicking that like and subscribe button. Because, just to keep it real, I, along with providing some insights towards AI technology and other things that captivate my interest, which I know that a lot of us can relate to on some levels, I'm also trying to grow a YouTube channel. And so, yeah, take a couple of seconds and like and subscribe to that button. Thank you. So, to start off, I will begin by stating my opinion on the whole idea and involvement of AI technology in our society today, both from a general and a personally impacted perspective. Okay? So I, like a portion of many of you, like a portion of Americans within our nation, have a reserved sentiment involving how much of an impact exactly might AI have on our workforce, our economy, our lives, our personal lives, whether our personal or our collective lives within our families. And as a striving businessman, and as a businessman who has either owned and operated a retail store, several businesses from my private companies, also to a nonprofit, to governmental agencies, I have to say that I am very optimistic about everything involving AI. There are definitely some questionable aspects, particularly like with AI robots, that, you know, they're like complicated and just out of this world, right? Like out of our range of understanding, I guess. So I'll choose to reserve my thoughts on at least that during this particular series. But this involves only AI software technology, AI-powered technology. So concerning AI as it relates to AI software technologies, the function that I have personally kept up with, got myself into, got interested in, educated myself of, and now include within my own business, I am excited about what it can and is doing within individual and collective lives within the world of business, supply chains, companies, etc. In the end, my opinion is that I think AI doesn't have to be this issue of either this or that, but one in which can be this and that. I think that AI can have its isolated effect from its automated generation, and I think that AI can add to our lives, our business, our job duties, our economy, in a way that still leaves us in the place of not flirting with letting AI autonomy get out of hand in society, right? So, which leads me to conclude with this food for thought in this first of a 5-part series that I'm going to present to you. AI is taking jobs within our economy. That's like the obvious, right? We're not only seeing it on the news, but it's reality. But with that, AI is not taking jobs within our economy. Now, I'm not being contradicting at all. Follow me in the next segment of this 5-part series, and I will expand more on those thoughts, as well as continuing the subject of AI software, its involvement in our society, and much more. And lastly, I'll close by kindly asking again that you not only follow me, but take a moment to hit that subscribe button, as I am trying to grow my YouTube channel and share and offer more insights on various subjects and more. So stick with me and keep up to segment number 2 of this 5-part series. Thanks for joining me on this first part.